letter to my mother. Regards. Hello, mother. I am fine in my new country, Argentina. I feel very good to be here. In this letter, I describe how is my life in the capital of Argentina, Buenos Aires. How is my new home and new routine with my family and my business. Describing your house. I live in house that has 3 floors. On the first floor is my workplace. It is small, but secure and comfort. Here I have all necessary elements to work. Is a photographer of the world. There are different desks that costume have chosen for their photos. There is computer in which I fix the photos, do print in the photographics printer, and behind this element I added a place where I tag the photos on the second floor. There is a whole chicken, and next to it there is dining room. Also, there is living room where is site wonderful moments with my family. Here I routine. Here is Tibet. I bedside table with I bed flowers and some pictures on the walls to decorate the front. My husband and me, describing your and your parents' routine. And all day today, I and my son Matisse get up the 6 always. We take a shower and we brush. Then we have breakfast. Sometimes we eat fruits and other cereals at 60 or 14 o'clock and I got off drug Matthias to school and immediately I go to the company go and 11 I will add a snack that is often coffee with sandwich. Then I got out to pick up Matthias at school and we would chicken and their favorite restaurant, Cayenne, and we usually order chicken drumstick. In the afternoon, while I work at home, I help my son with his homework at 8 o'clock. I occasionally read exam. Thank you.